Otumakefrien. Le benest, te rartim when you want to know Otumakefrien. You ma beria dignity because you are sure of to a pro a person. Maybe you are just no confident because you are afraid people man no react to way you want them to. But it no very hard to make frien, it is just why you think to make you no willing to do it. Continueria digne to fin auto. Span mort timaroun people. Dombement au rude, you don't know want to lose en i potentiel frien. Benisse en friendly. If you want to make frien, you first need to put yourself out ter some of in order to me people. If you just see alone, frien might come to you, but no likely. If you're still in school, si some eruito te people. It de have to be popular cool table, or a crowded on, but on with a list to o te people. En out tweet manioter. Te popular kid on mate when you're older, but at true frien will better for you forever. Remember, frien seldom come knocking on your door will you see a home playing on your laptop. Popular people are alveg want to be to you. T'as juste need to know you a little clubete. Joins en organisation or club with people who have common interest. You don't necessarily need to have a lot of common interest with people in order to make frien with them. In fact, some of the most rewarding friendship are between two people who don't have much in common at all, but if you like a specific topic, try searching for just a location. I agree way to man you local people. Social networking site such a Facebook, Twitter en Google plus are great way to man you people en learn more about the people you may. When you are chatting just say are you on Facebook? Or what is your name on Twitter? A church, mosque, temple rote of worship I agree place to start since you have a list of a religious faith in common. Ove, if you don't a religious building, remember to be respectful into of their God. Just remember to be safe on l'internet, you don't know who I actually on tote en most of the team. Oui she God. Joins à sport team. A common misconception about it you have to be really good at playing a particular sport in order to make frien with other on the team, but no all team are so competitive. Allons à you enjoy the sport en support your team at, joining a local team with a back attitude could be a great way to make new frien. But a sport team isn't only way. If you play instrument or sing, try joining a band or choix. Make you contact en smile. If you have une friendly countenance, people are less likely to be receptive to your friendship. Try no squinting, jet some glass, looking bored. Frowning your apring blankly dipan, folding your arin, ti practically scram don't talk to me, oranging out in a corner, sushabima make you look troubled or disinterested. Make small talk. Keep the 30% talking bar oblique 70% listening, ratio in mind during small talk when possible. Keep in mind that only a general rule, and that optimal ratio of listening to talking dépend de ton room temperature, time of day, and B of conversational participant. Introduce yourself at end of the conversation. It can be simple as saying oh, bit away, minami. Once you introduce yourself, tote person will typically do the same. Remember your name. If you show that you remember anything from your past conversations with the person, not only will you look intelligent but also will see that you were paying attention and are willing to be a true frien. Initiate to jeter. You can shy your ear out but it won't jet you a frien if you don't open up the opportunity for a note conversation or meeting. T especially important if you may someone who you are otherwise likely to me again. Says today. Don't do anything to pressure someone to be frien with you. Nove kid acquaintance for failing to invite you to a party, for example, don't call someone repeatedly or to be uninvited, unless you have established a stopping be unannounced yoke, en refrain from overstaying your welcome anywhere. In general, take friendship slowly, and on try to force intimacy to grow quickly. Te move from a intense to frien contact à long time. I understandable to want more of a good thing, but try to err on the side of lesson. If you are no sure about the pace of your new friendship, check in with your friend and ask directly. Too much, too fast can be scary or intimidating, and no everybody is able to say slow down. Moins instead, them aren't the way. Be loyal to a friend. You've probably rough fair vite friend. They return who are happy to be around you when things are going well, but are nowhere to be found when you really need them. Par ben a friend I ben préparé to make sacrifice of your time and energy in order to help out your friend. If a friend need help with une place encore, or if force just need a shoulder to cry on, but if your friend make a joke, log with them. Neve complain about a friend. Be a good friend. Once you've started spending time with a potential friend, remember to do your part, initiating some of activity, remembering birthday, asking out the person if feeling, or else the friendship will become unbalanced and uneasiness or distance likely to arise. Be trustworthy. One of the best things about having a friend is that you have someone to whom you can talk about anything, even secret you hide from the rest of the world. Take to ben a good confidant it ability to keep secret, so no secret you shouldn't tell the people things ever told to you in confidence. Keep in mind that recent study show that people rarely keep secret. Before people even feel comfortable opening up to you, however, you need to build trust. Keep in touch. Many people often lose contact with their friends because they are too busy, or just don't value their friends enough. When you lose connection with a friend, the friendship may fizzle out, and when you do try to contact them again, it's hard to rekindle the friendship.